Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. This feature is only available on the Roblox website, not on the app. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on Avatar from the left side under the menu options. Then click on Head and Body in the drop-down options. In the hair section, choose one hairstyle to be your base. Right-click on the hairstyle and open it in a new tab. Copy the hair ID from the URL in the address bar. Now, return to the Avatar hair section. Scroll down and click on the advanced options. Just note that you will need to install the BT Roblox extension in your browser to see this option. If you haven't installed it, just download and add the extension first. Once the advanced section, pass the copied hair ID into the Asset ID text box. Click Save to apply the hair and repeat the process for up to 10 hairstyles, depending on the number of available Asset ID slots. The number of hairs you can equip is limited to the number of empty Asset ID slots in the advanced section. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.